Hello, beautiful people of the Lord. Welcome to the Fix with myself, Righteous. Thank you for visiting us again. I thought of sharing this with you. I recorded this video in 2019 and I was talking about finances, and I've been in this financial growth for the longest time. Like I said, that guys, just an advice. I'm not a financial advisor or qualified. I'm just sharing with you whatever that I know through my experiences. I hope you enjoy this and learn something from my experiences. Thank you. Call again. Good morning guys. I woke up very motivated. Shout out to my brother TMP for actually motivating me to be a better person each and every day. As I was just thinking of him this morning, something came to my mind that it's so much easy for us human beings to complain, to say things like, my mates are successful, my mates are doing it in life, my mates have degrees, my mates have masters, my mates have PhDs, my mates are married, my mates are driving their own properties, and all that you can think of. My mates are happy. That's okay. I suppose it's natural. It's we only human. But my question to you this morning is, if your mates are all that, what are you? What do you do? What are you? Based on the answer that you gave me, my second question to you would be, and what are you doing about it? What do you have, and what are you doing about it? What I was saying is that in the book of Ephesians 5, it says, wake up, you sleeper. Some of you are watching this sleeping, but it's easy for you to say, my mates have this and that. What are you doing about your life? There's one thing that I've learned about successful people. Successful people work hard. Successful people take risks. They don't complain. They take risks. What risk have you taken in your life that you can proudly say that, that was a huge risk that I took and nothing worked? You can't take risk once and you give up, you give in. It does not work like that. Rejection does not mean, rejection means redirection. I've been rejected so many times in my life. One day I'm going to share my story of all the rejections that I experienced in my life to be where I am today and to be where I'm still going in my life. Those experiences did not stop me, and they'll never stop me to push harder. What am I saying today to you is that, guys, success does not come overnight. Success would not come knocking on your door. Success would not look for you. As a matter of fact, success is earned. All successful people you see today, they've worked so hard. And I want to say to you that not all successful people got to be where they are because of their degrees, of their PhDs, and whatsoever not you think it is. Some successful people, they don't even have grade 12, they don't even have grade 10, but they are successful because of hard work, because of perseverance, because of persistence. Very important. Most people Instead of seeking advices from successful people, you shy away from them because of whatsoever reason, I don't know. If you want to get where you want to be in life, you should not run away. You should actually associate yourself with people who are making it in life. Ask questions. How did you guys get here? Ask questions. Pester them. Be a nuisance. I mean, there's nothing wrong in asking and getting rejected. One day you shall catch the right fish which will be willing to help you. I personally want to speak to someone today on this Saturday that wake up, you sleeper. Go do something about your life. Take risk. You may be from a disadvantaged background. I didn't grow up the way I am today. My parents pushed hard, and I had to take the stick to carry on from where they left off to be where I am today. And I'm still working very hard to be a better person. Nobody's gonna make me better if I don't do it myself. And it's easy. The book of Luke 1 verse 37 says, "For there is nothing that is impossible with God." And the book of Philippians, if not Ephesians, it says, it's Philippians 4:13, "I can do all things through Christ who gives me strength." You can do anything that you want to do through He who gives you strength. All that you need is commitment. You need to have a desire. First of all, have a desire. Envy people and admire. Get someone who make them your role model. Tell yourself that I want to work hard to be like this person. And it's possible. Guys, I wish you a successful life. It does not happen overnight. It's a process. It requires patience. It requires hard work. It requires waking up, knocking at the right doors. When you get rejected, know that is not the final say. No, that is not the final decision. It's just redirection that you are not there yet. Just keep